Hello everyone, my name is Alsalim, master student in architecture department in Okan University in Istanbul. Today I'm going to present on my project, which is our market that related to the subject project 2. First I'm going to talk about the brief of the project. There are four main categories in the groups. These groups are urban design, ecological village, iconic building, and educational building. So I have chosen to be with urban design, to be as my project design. So there's as well four categories: cities and urban design group. There are Vatican in Ankara, Masdar City in Abu Dhabi, Solar City in Lens Styria, Mikali in Finland. So I have selected to work in Solar City to be as my case study. So now I'm going to analyze it and take it as intended for my project.
Solar City Lens Styria. An ecocity is a city that decreases environmental stress, improves living conditions, and helps in achieving sustainable development through a comprehensive urban improvement system involving planning and management of the land and its resources and implementation of environmental improvement measures. Our professor, Mr. Samih, has divided books and chapters to read it and make it an articles. I have chosen the comparative analysis of ecocities. The aim of this brief to explain the idea generated in the article named Ecocities Under Construction. It's by Samih and Claude Jean. As the article was published in 2019 in the Gazi University Journal of Science, at the time the concept of ecocities was prevalent. Example chosen of this methodology are Dongtang in Shanghai in China, Masdar in Abu Dhabi, United Emirates, Arcosanti is in USA, and the fourth one Changchong is in China. The fifth one Globe Town, it's in Russia. The results show that livable cities should be in the pursuit of the overall development and ecological progress. The most prominent issues: unclear borders and the use of fossil fuel should be reduced. Global action to address climate change. When the ecocity used, the term can be traced back to the mid-1970s, when it was the first coined in the context of the rising environmental movement. The United Nations Earth Summit held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992. It was the first wave of practical ecocity initiatives. What is the ecocity? Ecocity is to make balance with nature in order to achieve objectives of sustainability through the settlement patterns that save space and energy, combined with transport patterns, materials flows, water cycles, and habitat structure. Ecological efficiency that's been studied: population, cost, service, transportation, water, waste energy. Below showing analysis of the strength, and weakness, opportunities and threats. The SWOT analysis is for those four cities I just talked about it. Below the matrix of the details of cases. I have divided the four cities. It was Vatican and Masdar and Mikali and Solar City. Then I have added two more cities to take analyze it for it and take intended for it. It's Lefke, it's North Cyprus, and Kirazli village, Kosadi in Turkey. As I have studied in this matrix, I have divided and discovered that every city has different system in ecological. Some of them doesn't have that solar energy, and some of them had depends on their life for the solar energy. It's different and divided. And as well, I talk the strength and weakness and opportunity and the traits. It's the SWOT analysis for all the cities. As I take this project, uh, I started analyzing for this that project, that what I studied for the article and matrix. Then I tried to combine my project for that cities and what I took and studied for that cities. I have chosen this location. This area is located in Syria, specification in Home City, which is a hospital, and a wide area in the location. The area of 18 and 500 square meters, where the site is located in the city center, where crowded place of the population, and doctors can medical and the doctors and medical staff always face difficulties in getting to the hospital in timely manner. Especially the hospital call for emergency cases sometimes, and for this reason I found it appropriate to build a resident complex for them, at the same time appropriate for the environmental, and trying to combine it with urban solar city as I studied, especially solar city because I took it for my case study in the first project. The sources were characterized with positive matrix factorization and general linear model. The concept theory must enable people to live in balance with nature and achieve sustainable development. People-oriented ecocity development requires to the comprehensive understanding of complex interactions between environmental, economic, politician, and social culture factors based on ecological principle development. Integrates administration, ecological efficient industry, people needs and inspiration, harmonious culture and landscapes, where natural architecture and the built environment. Here's I talk the combination between my case study or my urban design group, and I tried to combine. I made combine it like the solar panel on my plan. This is my plan. This is my section. I took the solar panel section as I studied in Solar City, as their structure, and the structure that is daylight that make the sun to come in and goes out. This is my site plan, and here's the space area opposite the village. And here I put some structures, and here I put some structures, and I put the 3D showing the solar panel, and the green building, and the green roof, and the photovoltaic showing it clearly. And even here's the sketches for the design and concept for the plan and site plan. This is the public space in the compound. Here's I put the public space to be clearly here, and here's the interior 3D of the balcony. Here's the interior 3D of the balcony to showing all the photovoltaic clearly. And here's the public space to combine and gather all the residents here in the public space to be like a comfortable area for them, and to be social for them. And thank you for listening, and hope I did well. Thank you.